Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another live trading session. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. I am still, as you can see, still didn't have time to shave, so I'm gonna do that this morning. But yeah, back from Japan, it was a crazy trip out there. It was met some amazing people for the business. Um, and yeah, it was fun overall. It was fun. People are really, really nice over there. But now it's time to get back on the grind and see if we can have some nice trades. Still holding that AUD CAD trade that's taking forever to, you know, to come back down in profit, but whatever. We're going to discuss that in a couple minutes. Hopefully, everybody here is doing great. So let's see. Hopefully, the sound is loud and clear. Yeah, that mic is on, so we're good. Let's see if we have any comments. We got Bilal Keribe. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, buddy. How you doing? Hey, Sensei. Good morning. Hope you had a great journey. Yes, yes. Not gonna lie. Like waking up this morning was really, really hard. I didn't want to wake up, to be honest. Like, really didn't want to wake up, man. That shit is getting back in my eyes. I don't know what's going on. I have an appointment at a doctor today, so we'll see. But hey, all right, enough talking. Let's do some more trading. What about that? What about that, ladies and gentlemen? Let's put some. I need my banner here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Oops. All right. Now we're good. Now we are good to go. All right. So actually can drop this a little lower. And I think we're good. Okay. Oh, Solana is on the move here. Man, if this weekly candle close above, we're creating a new high. Ooh, that's beautiful for Solana. Beautiful, my friend. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go. Sorry. That was the first chart was there. Let's start with GJ since we mostly always start with GJ. So let's do this. It's been a while and look at GJ, not gonna lie. We're finally look like one of the reason why it's been a while I didn't look at it. It's because I mean since beginning of January mostly we've been at a higher high. Sorry, guys. So now Oh my gosh, sorry. We just created new high, so I'm gonna update that line. Let's move that. Tools. So we finally have a weekly high and a weekly high low. Sorry guys, man, my head is still lagging. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, give me one sec, guys. Look like I got some allergy kicking in, so I do apologize. Um, yeah, muted myself because you don't want to hear that in the morning. All right, so let's continue. Sorry, guys. GJ. All right, so we got a new high also on the daily. We got a new high low. Perfect. Okay. Now the 4 hour, same thing. Now we are all bullish here on GJ. Finally. Whoops, mistake here. What the hell am I doing, Sasha? All right, perfect. Okay, so you know what? We might have something here with GJ. So let's take a look. Now let's jump back on the weekly. Yeah, no, it's not going to be for a while because we're just creating that new high. So we're going to need a pullback. We're going to need a pullback or a retest of previous structure, which is this one right here. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But right now, nothing exciting. The only thing I might look for is my dogtail setup on H4 on the next candle, but looks like this one's setting up for a nice pullback on the 4 hour, to be honest. And if we do so, I might be interested for intraday. But we're going to talk about that a little later. We'll come back to GJ. All right, so now let's go to AUD CAD. So AUD CAD, let's go to the weekly first. So we finally have a new. I don't need that anymore. God damn! Can I just delete you? There we go. Let's delete some stuff on this chart here. I guess this we don't need. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's delete that. It's been a while. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, the only thing I don't really like right now is this doji on the weekly time frame. Hopefully, it's a booby trap candle, but usually it doesn't really look good. The only thing I can expect is for something like this on this side, bullish, bearish, bullish, which I call the booby trap candle. Same thing here. So yeah, so hopefully we're not trying to have a pullback right here, but not gonna lie, it can be possible. I mean, it makes sense after this huge drop, you have a real pullback. Because we had a wick, we had that wick retest here, we got a wick retest here, but we never had a real pullback. What I mean by a real pullback is a pullback and a retest with actually weekly candles. Okay. So yeah, we had that retest on the daily here. We had a continuation trade here. Okay, did I update my lines here? Yeah, let's do it this now. Whoops, what did I do here? Here we go. Actually, this is the new lower low now. Weekly, I mean daily. Daily is the new lower low. We got the pullback. The only thing it's encouraging here is, and that's why I actually took another entry. We respected the safety net on the daily, and we have a doji right here. Okay. So doji after bullish engulfing, it's more rare. So that's why I was like, you know what, it can be possible. Now, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, if you look on the 4 hour right here, bam, bam, we respected the safety net. Also, we established resistance, and we're still bearish on the 4 hour. So, I mean, all the time frames still bearish. We are weekly, daily, 4 hour bearish. The 1 hour, and I explained, not explained, but I said on Discord also that if we add a switch of structure on the lower time frame yesterday, I was looking to re-enter. So we had price going up here, which was bullish on the 1 hour. And once, the only thing that sucks is I missed the first entry right there, which was during Asian session. I missed it. It finally broke under a bullish engulfing that was beautiful. So I really missed that entry. So, and the thing is, I was at pickleball actually. The real thing is I was at pickleball, and when I came back, I was like, oh shit, I missed the entry. So I took a late entry. Not gonna lie, I kind of I was like, shit, man, that was my plan. So you know what? I'll take it. I was like 2.5 pips lower than the entry I was wanted. So I was like, all right, this is still decent. It's not like if I was like 10 pips down, like 2.5 pips, I can deal with that. It's okay. I accept the risk. And I got a late entry on that one. Okay. But the plan was to take it after this engulfing right here. And yeah, it is what it is. At the end of the day, if you look on the 30 minute, and we were bullish here, boom, boom, and finally bearish here. It looks like I got the entry like on the 30 minute engulfing. Actually, I didn't realize that, but yeah. So I guess it's still good then. But it's still late compared to where I wanted to have my entry. So right now, I mean, let's update the lines on 1 hour. So right now we are bearish on the 1 hour. We are bearish on 1 hour. There's no really elbow anywhere here. So yeah, this is pretty straight. No really elbow, because the thing is, when you're coming down, when you're going up, you got your elbow, and when you're coming down, now you have your elbow, right? So, so yeah, nothing here. Oops. God damn. Can you just delete, for fuck's sake? Oh. This tool is kind of weird. Like, if you don't switch it to the cross arrow, it doesn't delete. There we go. Okay, so so for AUD CAD right now, just waiting, just waiting. Let's go check it out if we have any question and comments. Sorry guys, I forgot about the chat, man. I'm lagging. I'm so lagging. Ibrika, what's up with EU? I don't know. We'll go check. As you said, check. Yeah, we'll go check. We'll go check. We'll go check, sir. Hopefully NZD USD will give us an opportunity after 8:30 inflation news. Hopefully, because NZD USD have been looking at it for a while now, so I can't wait. Hey Krish, was looking for NC this week, but that pair closed under area of interest 4 hours, so waiting for H4 to close back above currently in NU and GN looking fire. All right, we'll take a look at that. EU looking to rip through the move. We'll check it out. For that tool, press right click on the mouse to make it go. Oh, thanks, Chris. Chris is like my trading view master. Okay, so let's go check. GU. All right, let's take a look at GU, ladies and gentlemen. Like, I'm so tired, I don't even feel like I'm able to walk right now on my walking pad. All right, so GU, been waiting for this one for a little while. Actually waiting for since December. Like first week of December, I'm waiting for GU. Still waiting. Weekly still bearish. You know, if you look here, we are bearish from there to there. We got the pullback inside a weekly golden zone. Ooh, at the area of interest on weekly, at the major QP. Daily is bearish finally. And now we got a pullback. Wait a second. Oh, how the hell did I? That's what I thought. I was like, this is not the H4 golden zone. This is the daily golden zone. There we go. Oops. Daily golden zone. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, that makes sense. So we are now in that daily golden zone. Actually, this is way back. Okay, perfect. Daily golden zone 4 hour. 4 hour still bearish. Oh, I guess it's the same. I guess it's the same golden zone actually. Yeah, you see the H4 and the daily are the same golden zone. Okay, perfect. So we're still bearish. Okay, so now we got the weekly. We finally have the daily bearish, which is beautiful. 4 hour bearish. So now we're just waiting for that switch of structure. Look like it doesn't want to go, but now we are actually, hold on, wait a second. Yeah, we are bullish on that one now. So bullish on H1. And bullish lower higher lower. I mean, oh, god damn. Here we go. 30-minute. Same thing. We are bullish here. And here we go. So you know what? I'm gonna place an alert here for now, but I think it looked like we're gonna create a new high. Yo, can I have this alert? I hate when Traded View does that. God damn. Sometimes I need to close my trading view. Leave page. I gotta reopen one. What the fuck? So now, hopefully I didn't lose everything I just did. Yeah, you see? Now those alerts are there. It's such a bug. Like, when it's been a while that my trading view is open, it does that. I don't know why. All right, so let's go back to the 30-minute. And this alert's going to say 30-minute going bearish. Perfect. But look like we're going to create a new high, which is going to be perfect, actually, because we're going to have a better RR. So same thing with H1. H1 will need a pullback, you know, but whatever. All right, so entity USD. Okay, this one also been waiting for a while. I tried just to refresh before. It never worked. I don't know why, but doesn't matter. GU still waiting for price to close. Yep, exactly. Okay. Entity USD. Let's go. Weekly. Hey, but guys, don't forget to smash that goddamn like button. Back from Japan, and I'm telling you, I was this close to stay in bed for an extra hour. But I thought about you guys, and I was like, man. All right, so let's go help these people. All right, so let's go check it out here. Weekly entity USD. This is beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful. I just hope it's gonna finally play out. So we had the push up, pull back, weekly area of interest, major QP, golden zone, ready to push up. Now let's go take a look on the daily time frame. Daily is bullish now. I was waiting for the pullback because we just flipped bullish by creating this higher high, which is now looking perfectly. Now, if you look at the 4 hour, 4 hour is actually having the pullback. Let's delete this because this didn't play out. The H4 golden zone is right here, and that's why we reached it, and that's why I was looking for a switch of structure in lower time frame. Never happened. So now I've got to be a bit more patient. Let's go check it out if we respect the safety net here. All right, so we're respecting the safety net. So this is our last area where we want to take it. Take it. There's a song like that, no? Okay. Uh, here's the lower low. Perfect. It would be perfect to have a lower low here, but all right, let's go take a look at the 30 minutes. So here we have that elbow though. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It just sucks because we need to break above here. So we'll definitely gonna keep a close eyes on entity USD. But the thing I would prefer though is something like this. This, whatever, something like this, break above here, retest, continue up. That would be perfect. But we'll deal with what we see. All right. Up next, AUD USD. AUD USD, ladies and gentlemen. And who is asking for EU? EU is coming up soon. Where's EU on my list? Oh shit, it looks like it's far. Where is it? EU. Hold on. EU. The fuck? Where's EU? Oh yeah, we'll take out that. After those two, we're gonna go look at Euro USD. Okay, so weekly. AUD USD. And Krish loves that. Is bearish since August 2022. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. All right, so daily created a new lower low in February, finally. And now we're going to push back up like a real retest of this daily area of interest. Okay, let's take a look at where is this golden zone in the daily. Here we go. So you see this daily golden zone is in sync with this daily area of interest, which is perfect. I like it. 4 hour time frame. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame now, we're still bearish. Yeah, we're still bearish here on the 4 hour. All right, so now we got the weekly bearish, the daily bearish, the 4 hour bearish. Now we just need a switch of structure on the lower time frame. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we flipped bear. Okay, hold on, wait a second. So we were bearish from that. Okay, so bearish here, and there's no elbow here. So actually, right here, and H1 lower low, guys. All right, man. Can someone get me a Red Bull, please? I'm dying out here. Plus allergy is kicking in. Fuck. It sucks. Okay. So here we got that double bottom here. Okay. So we are already bearish here. So I don't need to really wait about a switch of structure here. Um, let's go take a look at the 30-minute. So 30-minute here was bearish from there to there and flipped bullish. Okay. So I guess just gonna wait for this switch of structure right here on the 30-minute to make it perfect. There we go. Perfect. Euro AUD. Whew. If you guys have some special requests, fire them up right now. And we got Euro to CAD, and after that, we're gonna go Euro USD as requested in the chat. So we got a weekly bullish. We got a pullback at the weekly area of interest, which is the also the major QP. And since then, we're starting to push back. The only problem though is the daily time frame. Yeah, no, daily time frame is bullish. Perfect. Okay. 4 hour. Is that a trade that I missed the entry? No, because I guess so. Like, how the fuck did I miss that? I think we explained that on Forex Talk over beer because we went there, finally bullish here. Once we had the pullback here. Oh yeah, I think I remember now. We went through that on Forex Talk over beer. There was no entry on the lower time frame. Never had any entry. And after that, I think this when I was like in Japan, so that's why I kind of was not really looking. Okay, I got it now. Okay, so let's go take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish. So we need to flip bullish now. 30-minute. 30-minute. Hold on. What did I did? Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we went bearish here. Now we are bullish. Here we have the elbow. Okay. Perfect. Actually, perfect here. So now we just flip bearish here. Okay. So 30-minute, bearish. 30-minute, bearish. Okay, so that's gonna go 1 hour. 1 hour, we said bearish. 4 hour. 4 hours bullish though. Yeah, that sucks. All right, gotta wait. Gotta wait. EuroCAD. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. So, sorry, the wifey was leaving. All right, give me 1 sec. Part 2. All right, we are back. Okay. All right, so as you're coming in, guys, don't forget to smash that goddamn like button. Okay, EuroCAD. And after that, we're going to go Euro USD. All right, so let's start with the weekly. Weekly is bullish. We're going to pull back at the area of interest, which is also inside that weekly golden zone at the major QP. So again, another pair with a lot of confluence. Man, you can tell I'm looking for my words this morning. Oh boy. Woo. Okay. Daily. Daily is bearish. So I'm waiting for this to, oh, actually, we got a lower low here, which is beautiful. Okay, I like this. I really like this. I really, really like this. It's going to give us actually a better R. Oh, fuck, I'm excited. Let's put this here. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful, my friend. 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish also. So gotta wait. So even if the daily flip bullish, we're gonna have to wait for the 4 hour to flip bullish. I'm just gonna update my lines so we know the plan on that one. Where's the lines? Oh, where's the other one? Holy, they are far. It's been a while. I didn't update the 1 hour. Okay. Okay, so here, hold on. So from there to here, I guess we don't really have an elbow here. So yeah. So I guess 30 minute. Whoa, got a lot of lines here. What's going on? Let's put the 2 over here. I just don't know where to put. Okay, so here we went. So here we went bearish from there to oh. Yeah, I know it's a doji, but this one, look, you read like, god damn, look like a elbow. But no, let's go follow up our rules here. I'm not gonna count that one. Doji, oops. Um, yeah. Okay, cool. So now if this candle close up, we're gonna be bullish on a 30 minute. Okay, so I think we got a plan here. Now Euro USD. Who said it's about to go through the roof? We're gonna check that. We're gonna check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go check out the weekly. It's been a while. I didn't look at Euro USD. Not gonna lie. It's still bearish. We finally had the pullback here. Let me delete this. This is a previous trade. Boom. So here we had the pullback now. Okay, still bearish. So who says about to go through the roof? Ibuka said, hold on, wait a second. Who said that? Yeah, Ibuka. Looking to rip through the roof. Mm. I don't know, but so far the weekly is still bearish. So if your roof's on the floor, maybe. But maybe intraday. Well, so let's go take a look. But swing, I will not touch it. Bullish, I would wait for my weekly to go bullish. Now, if you look at the daily, how the Ibuka, like, all right, okay, so maybe you're scalping. I'm gonna give you another chance. I'm I'm gonna give you another chance. Let's go take a look at the 4 hour. So so 4 hour is bearish here, bearish here. All right, so we flip bullish here. Now we have a new high here. Now we flip back bearish. I mean, even the 4 hour is bearish. Like, what's the fuck? Okay, maybe you're really scalping. Okay, I'm gonna give you one last chance. One last chance, and I'm gonna call that a troll. Or you're trying to test me or something. I don't know. But let's pull this back here. So we went bearish from here to here. Okay, so we're definitely we were bullish here. Now we broke under here. Here we have a new lower low. Okay, so there, oh, this is the 1 hour, sorry. So this is 1 hour. H1 bullish. H1 bullish. There we go. Okay, so you got the 1 hour bullish. So that's the only thing you have. Plus you had a higher high. So you definitely don't want to take a trade there. But Ibuka, I don't know. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Like even the 30-minute, like hold on. Here we got a lower low here. Boom. Flip back bullish here. Here we got here high. So you got the 30-minute to 1 hour bullish. So maybe you're scalping. I don't know, but I'm really not interested. Yeah, I'm really not interested, especially that you're at a high right now. Yeah, so no, Euro USD. You know what? Look, I'm taking Euro USD and I'm putting down over here. So again, it's not to being disrespectful. It's just like there's nothing in sync for me. I'm looking more for intraday swing now these days. I used to do a lot of scalp, but when I was scalping, I was focusing only on two pair, which was GJ, GA, and sometimes gold. So that was the three main pair I was scalping. I was not jumping pair to pair scalping because scalping is a different idea. You gotta know your pair. You gotta know how it moves. You gotta understand it. You cannot do what you are doing with. This is just my personal opinion. I cannot do what I'm doing with swing with scalping, meaning looking at 20 pairs doesn't make sense. But yeah, yeah. So let's move on. So we did yeah, we did EuroCAD. I don't think there's anything else. Let me check the weekly very quickly. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, allergy are like painful. Okay, so USD, CAD, not interested. NZD, GPY, kind of like this pair, but oh, that paper trade looked like that paper trade actually finally played out. Was I got stopped or anything? I'm just curious. Did I got stopped? I never looked back at that paper trade, guys, that we took together. Oh, I got stopped. Oh well. Never look back. Let's delete this. Anything else here? No. One arrow. Boom. Here we go. Okay, so let's take a look. I like NZD GPY. I had some amazing trade on NZD GPY. So we have a good relationship. Wow, it's been a while though. Like, okay. So look like we did print a new high. So let me delete this. Actually, here. All right, so we're at a high. So it's not interesting, but let's just update the chart. So next time it's ready. 4 hour. Damn, that's a pretty big push up here on the 4 hour. So definitely need a pullback here. which is great because NZD-GPY right now looking pretty nice. Now, do we have any area of interest here? Doesn't look like it, but we can retest previous structure maybe. So this one, at this level, do we have any area of interest? Let's see. Yeah, so we got resistance, resistance, resistance. So I guess this one. God damn allergy. Uh, so I guess this one here, weekly area of interest. What about the daily? Oh, this is a daily and a weekly area of interest. This is perfect. I like this. On the daily here, we got 1, 2, 1, 2, and this one is really far right now. So like I said, this one is probably the equivalent of the previous structure. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna mark it down. Plus, if you look on the daily now, daily golden zone is gonna be right up here. Okay. What about the on the weekly time frame? I'm gonna use that wick from this push to this push. So golden zone will be in sync. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Oh, wait a second. What am I doing? This is invalid because we don't have a bearish candle yet on the weekly, so I cannot use the fib. But I can use the fib on the daily though. So here we go. 4 hour. So 4 hours bullish. Now we got the pullback. Okay, so I'm gonna place an alert here. At daily / weekly area of interest. Perfect. Actually, in ZDGPY, I'm gonna put it up here, put it blue. Gonna keep an eye on that one. Looks nice. Oh, somebody said. Hold on. Paris, how you doing? Good morning, Sasha. I hope you had a good trip. Yeah, thank you, man. Very tired, but it was nice. Like button smashed. All right, thank you, buddy. Chris, GN, okay. EU is bearish so far. Let's wait for CPI. Yeah, we're definitely gonna wait. Check out GN. We'll do. Let's do it now, actually. GN. There we go. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's go to the weekly. So weekly is bullish. All right, so weekly is bullish. Let's check it out here. We get the pullback right at the weekly golden zone. The daily is bullish. Okay. Daily area of interest. 1 resistance, 2 support, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're good. Which is probably also a 382 or golden zone. Right at the golden zone also. Okay. 4 hour. 4 hour went bearish from there to there. And now we just flip bullish. Okay. Good eye, Krish. Good eye. Definitely gonna put this blue. And now we just need a bearish candle to establish our golden zone and pullback area, or high low potential in the 4 hour. So now just going to be waiting for high low potential to take it to the upside. Yeah, really good, good eye, ladies and gentlemen. So I think we got enough bear now to look at. Entity cat is, damn, this shit never happened, dude. It's been a year, like a full fucking year. I've been waiting this bear to pull back. Like, look at this. Since fucking, I think it's March. I think it's March. I started to look at almost a full year. God damn it! Like, it's crazy, crazy. Whatever. But Solana, ooh shit, that's amazing. People called me crazy when I was buying Solana, like a crazy guy at this area. All those yellow lines where I entered Solana, bought a shit ton. So yeah, um, whatever. Pretty exciting. Okay, so now let's. I think there's a comment with Krish. Want to share my loss on USD CHF Sensei that I want to share with all. One major mistake we made mentioned in the chart. Oh, okay, that's interesting. We are waiting for NC. It not above in the watch list. What are waiting for NC? So not above in the watch list. Oh, yeah. Orange is just like I keep watching it just because I'm, that pair. I've just been watching for it. But right now, I kind of not watching it at all. Just I don't know. I don't feel like looking at it right now. It's just bullshit range. But disgust me. So now let's go take a look at your chart here. Um, so we're gonna do that, and we'll go paste this chart. So we got a chart incoming, guys, from Krish. So let's take it out. Let's check it out. There we go. Perfect. Oh, that's what I call a solid breakdown. Um, Holy shit, that's a lot of writing. Dude, you did good. Okay, so this is USD CHF. So number one here, 4 hour was bearish since here. Okay, okay. Number two, trade taken based. You see, guys, when you want your trade analyzed, or you said, "Oh, watch GU, watch G," and send your chart. Send your chart, and this is real work. Now you see the difference between someone who's going to have success and someone who's just going to try to have success. Um, Trade taken based, because he's putting on the work and the hours and the extra effort to do this. So if you think, guys, that just by looking at chart and accepting your loss and accepting your wins without doing anything, dude, like if you look at my journal, I was journaling like hardcore. Now these days I don't journal as much because my journal is basically my Forex stock overview. Okay, this is where I break down my trades and I go over my trades. So it's now kind of a live journal that I do, but I used to journal every single trades, like this. So trade taken based, 2 hour engulfing closed here with 30-minute SOS at potential for 4 hour lower high right here. Okay, so that's good. The only thing, hold on, wait a second. Yeah, I think one mistake ish here is this is not your lower high potential. The lower high potential is right here. So maybe you didn't have any entry on the 30 minute on or 1 hour. Maybe that's why. Yeah, that's probably why actually. But if not, I mean, you're quite low on that 4 hour right now at that moment. You're almost at that lower low. So it's, of course, it's a little bit more risky. Um, Three, our initial profit target was here at next daily structure because we are selling at a weekly area of interest, which is a 3.23R. But when we decided to close trade at BE due to high swaps and trades got sideways between our entry and SL. Not like fear SL getting, but we were to losing more than we okay. Yeah, so that's fine. That's what we call risk management, which is perfect. Four, one surprise got BE. We went started trading TP with SL at B as bearish pressure was high and we want to let our trade run. Okay, but at the same time, we'll keep that trade open. Only 1 day more. Da, 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 da. Okay, makes sense for that. We were in profits of 2R without trading stop getting hit with hard stop at B. Okay. Yeah, I would love to check right here, like if you have anything else on the left that can give you a hint that price might reject that level, because sometimes that's what you need to do. Yes, you put your TP at the 3 to 1 or at the next daily area of interest, which is great. All that is great, but all that is um, technically, now you have to watch, like if you reach a certain level and you see that price having problem or start rejecting, especially like let's say you see, I cannot grab an arrow on this chart, but let's say you see this, I don't know if you can see my arrow here, but my mouse, but if you see this wick breaking previous low, so technically you should continue down and suddenly start pushing back up and breaking that high, you got to be careful. Okay, you got to start looking. I'm not saying close the trade now, but go look to the left and go check if there's anything indicating like price rejection at that level. Are we reaching a major QP? Are we reaching a quarter point? So just check that out. Okay, are we getting a reversal? So yeah, so that would be one thing. But maybe it's news. Maybe, I don't know. So I don't know what happened because this candle's quite big. So um, like I wouldn't be surprised that if this 4 hour candle wasn't using it or something. Okay, so five. Okay, so six. NFP was Uh, NFP was here, and we were already in profits of 2R. Uh, oh, right here. That was NFP. Oh shit, that's why. Oh god damn, dude. You see, to be honest, I didn't look at this at all. I didn't know when I was talking about that candle. I had no fucking clue. But was he already in profit? A mistake was made. We trade all TP on Newsday NFP because no matter how tight we trail, news won't allow us to exit at our trailing stop loss. Oh yeah, you gotta close manually. Yeah. Every fucking time we trail a TP, I never trailed my TP to be honest. Like, which is good, but I do everything manually. Um, Above 15 minute. Da, 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 da. All bonus as we let our winner runs. We didn't apply hard stop to it. What? Hold on. Did I read that right? You didn't add a hard stop on an FP? Every fucking time we trail with hard stop above 15 minutes with 5 pip room, as TP is already achieved and trailing is all bonus. 2 RR without trailing, stop getting hit. Have you getting like slipped? 7. Trail SL at the time of NFP was here. Oh shit. Yeah, this is guys. This is exact Krish. Thank you for sharing this. Guys, everyone, I want you guys to say thank you to Krish because he's a it's hard to admit like a mistake as a human. Like we have a hard time doing this, and I don't know why. Well, I kind of know why, but like people has a hard time. This showing this to the people is actually how everyone can level up and learn in being better. So the moral of this story is put a fucking stop loss any fucking time. And when I read people on Discord saying move your stop loss or delete your stop loss. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, sorry for the F bomb, but for me, like, people saying that or mentioning that on Discord, guys, if you want to remove your stop loss, that's one thing, but shut the fuck up, don't try to. There's some new people out there, on that Discord, and you're giving them the fucking good idea to remove your stop loss. Dude, shame on you guys. Okay, shame on you. And this is bullshit, and I'm mad and pissed about that. So sorry for me going a little wild right now, but just I'm fucking done reading those shit. Like, and Krish, this is a perfect example. Thank you for sharing this. I know it's not how you do it because you always have a stop loss usually, but we all did it at least once. I got fucking like mad slip. I moved one of my stop loss one day, because I thought it was getting hit. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna move it back. Not only I lost more, like way more than I was supposed to lose, but I got slipped 45 pips. That means, instead of I was supposed to lose like I think it was like 2% of the time. I think I lost like something like 5 or 6% that day. Like it was brutal. Like it was brutal. So this happened to us at least once. But if you don't learn from it, you're just dumb. You're just dumb. And if you keep moving your stop loss, this is the most noob thing to do. Just don't do it, guys. Stop doing it. But if you want to keep doing it, that's fine. That's your thing. That's your strategy. Do whatever you want. I'm not saying I'm the guy who has 100% reason and that I'm 100% right. I mean, but please, please don't try to drag people down in your shit by telling them, "Oh, it's Friday, you should move your stop loss." Fuck that shit, guys. Just like either close a fucking trade or eat that loss. So anyways, sorry, it's me going wild right now. Sorry, guys. But I know for a fact that this is not how Krish do things. But that's fine and that's okay. So yeah, good job, Krish, by sharing this. And what a work, man! What a fucking journal work. Props to you. Well done. Oh, so we got some. Oh, what's going on? Oh, there's news, eh? Holy, a unicat! Whoa! 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 A unicat is going down, baby. Holy, let's go. Dude, I just turned around. I'm like 72 pips down. 70 pips. 70. Whoa, 74, 75. Oh, 78, 70, 79, 79, 82. Oh, 75, 75. Oh, 78, 76. We're going to 82. We're going back down to 78. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the number. Oh, shit. I'm feeling I'm calling a racehorse. Fuck. This is amazing. So Newsware's coming. Did I move my stop loss? No. I'm not saying that to make fun of you, Krish, because you did amazing. That's perfect. Just this is amazing. Let's go. Keep it up, baby. All right, so now we're going back to 81 pips, 82, 84, and we're going back to 76. This is how news react. Okay, so let's go check the chat here. We're having fun. Now I'm awake. Now I'm awake. Now I feel like walking on my walking pads, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go soon. Okay, let's go check the chat here. My hard stop was at B, not our trading. Oh, okay, perfect. Because I thought if we put hard stop at trading, the flip pops above, let the hard stop be. Yeah, that's good. Okay, perfect. Got under the influence that NFP will come. Yeah, the thing is NFP, you cannot have any ideas or influence or know how it's gonna play out. You know, it's to be honest, there's some exception. There's some people who just study news like there is no tomorrow and they really understand it, but that takes like years. Um, to be honest, like every time I was looking at NFP, I was like, oh, this should go up now with NFP or down. Every fucking time I was wrong. Um, so I stopped. I just stopped looking at the data because I just clearly I don't understand it. I suck at it, so I'm just looking at my technicals and do my shit, right? So feels like Super Bowl commentary. Yeah, yeah. Super Bowl commentary will be more like, yeah. So FX Alex G is going to the 40 yards and oh, he's turning left. Oh, almost got hit here and he's keep running and he's going to the end zone and oh, he got tackled down by security. I can't believe he did this. Holy fucking fuck. Oh, that's crazy. I thought it was a joke. When Chris sent me the screenshot or some and a couple more people, I was like, this is AI. This is bullshit. It's not true. Because it was not on TV for us. I didn't see on TV. I was like, this is bullshit. I don't believe it. And finally I saw it. I was like, oh fuck, man, that's crazy. Oh well. That was funny. Uh Yeah, he was definitely crazy. Like I would never do that to be honest. I'm way too old. Yeah, no, man. Like it's crazy. Oh boy. I'm surprised though that jail time was only like a couple hours. And the fine. Did he say how much was the fine? Like I'm surprised that it's not like crazy expensive because the thing is, we didn't saw it on TV. I don't know about in the US, but in Canada we didn't saw it on TV. And I think now it's they do that on purpose. They put a delay. So the live event with the TV has a delay now. So if any bullshit happened, they're able to react and remove it to the stream. Because back then they had a lot of people going on the field to do free advertising. And people like Budweiser, like those big brands, pay like millions of dollars in advertising, and we're like, yeah, listen, this jerk is running down the field getting free advertising, so you guys got to put rules out there. So I thought that the fine was really big now these days, but look like it might not be that expensive. So oh well, I did it, so that was fun. Anyways, then it was yeah, 145K. Oh, 145K. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Okay. Sorry, it was about 1995. Yeah, okay. So just under 100K. Yeah, it's still, but it's still pretty goddamn cheap compared to any money that the brands are putting out there for advertising, right? So I think they should put those things higher because there's people with money that's going to do it, like Alex clearly, but there's not only him. There's probably other people with businesses that be like, you know what? Let's hire a kid. It's not a kid, but let's hire up someone that's willing to do it. We'll give him. We're gonna pay the fine. Plus, we'll give him an extra 100K. Just to do it. So yeah, I don't know. So, all right. So we're going back to 73 pips, 75, 71. Or we're going back down to 70 and 66. Or we're going back to 74, 73, 75, 76. Oh, holy. I'm having fun with this. Um, Hopefully no one took a clip of that. Yeah. just look retard right now. I'm trying to come like holy man, this shit is going down, baby. It's going down, 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 down. So I think, oh yeah, this is beautiful. 8:41. So that 4 hours about to close. Dude, if like I would be so happy if that 4 hour close. Look at this rejection right at that support. That sucks. I want to see this 4 hour candle close under that support. Like that would be my relief here. Just confirm it was 50K. Well, that is God. That is really really cheap. That's really cheap. Like 50K. That's really cheap. Yeah. I got 50K. Like there's a lot. 50K I can actually put down on my credit card if I want. Like it's not very expensive. Even 100K, it's not that expensive for the exposure you get. Fuck, that's worth it. Um, yeah, but gonna give it to him. He's got balls. Oh yeah, dude. When I that screenshot when he's running and like big smile, like God, I'm like, holy fuck. I'm like that kid is something else. It was fun though. He actually reached out for he's actually reached out to me for an interview. Like I told him right now, until like I'm still in the business in my business, I don't want to um share anything to the world about income and stuff like that. Because last time I did, it just started all kind of drama around friends, family, customers, business partners. So I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm doing my little things, and when everything is setting down and settled down, yeah, for sure, man. I'll go to the interview and no problem. So thanked him to for reaching out, and he said, yeah, no problem. When you're ready, let me know. So it's gonna come one day, but right now I'm just not don't want to expose my shit. I do my own thing. Um, yeah, and I don't need that. Just if I'm doing it just to for new people, just to understand that it's real. For the rest, I don't give a crap, to be honest. So yeah. Any question, guys? Any question? Because I'm gonna have to go get ready for my day here. This trade is to 70 pips now. Look like we're rejecting the fucking support. 15 minute. Oh, the 15 minutes gonna close. Oh, this 15 minutes gonna close like this. The thing that I don't like with news, not gonna lie, it's most of the time we got a big push, either up or down, and after that we got a correction of the market. So what about the daily? Oh, we just reached that daily support also. That's why. Yeah, this area is really strong. Look at this. Oh shoot. Mm, really debating with myself right now. This would be like a two. Right now, it would be like less than 2 to 1. Yeah, we'll see. I'm really gonna watch the lower time frame. So 15-minute close strong. 5 minute. You see that doji here in the 5 minute? God damn. Whatever. Worst case, I'm gonna exit and break even because there's no way I'm gonna let this flipped. Actually, let me move my stop to break even right now. So I'm gonna use my magic key where I broke one button. So I don't know what the fuck happened in the travel. So I got one button to press. It's called where is it? O2B, I guess. No, not O2B. Oh, SL at entry right here. You see? SL at entry. I'm going to play the sound here so you can hear. I'm going to do it on my MT4. Let's put the sound up. Boom. So both positions going to be stop and break even. SL at entry. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no sound. The fuck? Did it work? It didn't work. Did it? No, it didn't. What? Okay, let's do this again. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now it worked. Perfect. So SL at entry. So it's a risk free at this stage. So I'm just gonna let it run. Fuck it. You know, we'll see. Maybe I'll close one of the two position. But yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see here. How do you usually decide on which golden zone time frame to look for a pullback for, on example, on H1 golden zone, H4 daily or weekly? Basically, I don't decide to take an entry based on the H4. Which golden zone time frame to look for a pullback? Okay. So it depends on what I'm looking for. Like, let's say that I'm gonna try to find an example here, just to like here. Okay, so here's a good example that we have a big push down. Okay, we have a big push down, and you want to establish where price might go after having this rejection right here. So this is just to have an idea on where it might go. So to give you an idea on where the pullback can be, basically. So it's after usually a big push, to see, or let's say the 4 hour now. Let's say 4 hour is not a good example right now, this stage. But let's try to find one. Well, here was actually a good example on Euro AUD. So let's say you finally break up here. Okay, so you finally flip bullish after breaking this resistance. So once that's done, and you have your bearish candle right here, so now you're like, okay, cool. So now I'm just waiting for our higher low potential. So you're gonna put your fib and establish that higher low potential might be here, or last is gonna be the safety zone probably here. But this one's probably broken, to be honest, because it looks low. But it gives you the idea, right? Right here. Yeah, so this one's invalid, right? So we're broken. But just to give you an idea on like why and when I look at it. Hopefully that answered the question. So it's very to identify where the high low or lower high can be. Okay, guys. So I gotta go. Oops. Here we go. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We're going to be live again, once again, Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. So can't wait to see you, 6 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to tune in. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, activate notification, and I'll see you on Thursday night, guys. Have a great day. Don't do anything stupid, and trade safe. Take care.